Good afternoon. My name is Rose Girani, and I am a Senior Research Engineer for VRC Metal Systems, headquartered in Box Elder, South Dakota. Today, I will be discussing our ongoing work with NavAir in rapid repair of corroded fastener holes on aircraft. VRC was founded in 2012 by a former B-1B bomber pilot and has since become the leader in manufacturing turnkey high-pressure cold spray systems in the United States. We also provide R&D research in both cold spray and wire DED, training, production-level service, as well as commercialization partnerships. VRC has held over 24 SBIR STTR awards at various phase levels. From these efforts, we have applied for 7 patents, 6 of which are still pending and 1 of which has been awarded. VRC employs highly skilled robotics, materials, and mechanical engineers who have progressed the company's technology in a short amount of time. We currently support efforts in the aerospace, automotive, energy sector, heavy equipment, maritime, and military. The overall objective of this work is to develop an innovative cold spray method utilizing 7000 series aluminum to quickly repair corroded fastener holes on Navy Marine Corps aircraft structures, requiring minimal support equipment and restoring the component to previously uncorroded remaining useful life while maintaining acceptable static strength capability. Currently, the most commonly used corroded hole repair method involves oversizing to remove corrosion, manufacturing a custom bushing, ion vapor deposition plating, and finally, installing the bushing. The repair process can take upwards of 2 months and reduces the fastener hole edge distance, therefore lessening the static strength and fatigue life. To ensure safety of the repaired configuration, flight envelope restrictions or aircraft grounding may be enforced to prevent overloading the aircraft. The desired rapid repair method will minimize modification to the existing structure and the creation of new, untested load paths. It should not require extensive special skills and training to employ for either the airframe repair or the installation. Quality control requirements that incorporate equipment and skills not presently in use by the Navy are not desired. A version of this through hole repair has been developed with 6000 series aluminum for the B-1B bomber panel. Image A shows a panel location and damage. Image B displays the process development testing where the repair exceeded Mill Handbook yield load requirements. Image C shows the cold spray repair where a temperature of 100 degrees Celsius was not exceeded. Finally, Image D exhibits the finished panel that has been fully restored to original OEM geometry and has been on the aircraft in service since 2012. The original repair for this panel was approximately $150,000 with an 18-month lead time. The cold spray repair was approximately $20,000 with only a 2-week lead time. For this work, VRC developed a repair method for both aircraft skin and through hole geometries using 7000 series aluminum that will maintain a required fatigue resistance of 10,000 cycles. This slide exhibits the TRL levels for the divot and through hole geometries in regard to robotic path planning, spray process parameters, substrate cooling methods, and pre-post and hybrid processing. The current status and next steps for divot geometry development, aka aircraft skin, at the coupon level, is at near completion. Within the next 6 to 8 months, the repair method will be ready to be tested at the prototype level. Once real-world data is collected, the team can further improve fatigue performance of the aircraft skin repair. The current fatigue performance at the R equals -1 test condition is 1900% over the required 10,000 cycle to failure. The current fatigue performance at the R equals 0.1 test condition is 430% over the required 10,000 cycle to failure. The current status and next steps for the through-hole geometry development at the coupon level is currently in process. Within the next 3 to 6 months, baseline data will be established. The already remarkable work that has been completed with this geometry was the change of processing gas from helium gas to nitrogen. Not only does this significantly reduce repair expense, but it also allows for a straightforward point-of-need repair process. This change in processing gas will be incorporated into the divot geometry repair method before it is pushed forward to prototype testing. Standard FAA corrosion repair on aircraft is time-consuming and expensive. While it is structurally adequate, the current repair reduces the airframe strength capability. Current repairs also need to be performed in a depot setting. This new technology offers an in-situ repair method that can be easily performed at point of need, while maintaining the weight and geometrical integrity of the aircraft. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, this program fell behind schedule as lead times of equipment and materials became unusually long. Despite the setback, VRC has made much progress and continues to work diligently at completing the Phase 2 program on time and within budget. What is needed to complete in Phase 2? First, transition repair methods from helium processing gas to nitrogen and/or compressed air. This will significantly reduce repair cost and greatly simplify point-of-need repair. Next, finalize divot repair spray methods and equipment. Additional testing needed. Then, finalize through hole repair spray methods and equipment. Additional testing needed. We are currently seeking additional funding for beyond Phase 2. VRC seeks to prove this technology and seek qualification as an official DoD aircraft repair method. The global aerospace maintenance repair and overhaul market is relatively mature, with a 2020 estimated value of $91 billion. With increasing aircraft use year over year, the global aircraft maintenance repair and overhaul market is expected to grow continuously to maintain the commercial operating fleet. According to a recent marketing report, this industry is projected to grow steadily over the coming several years at a 3.7% compound annual growth rate to 2025. We expect the cold spray repair system will be used mostly in the airframe and line assembly sectors of this industry, which accounts for 22% and 18%, respectively. Our revenue forecast for the cold spray technology is presented in Table 1. The technology developed in this effort will be transitioned to VRC's already existing large customer base, including existing VRC installations at Boeing, Airborne Maintenance and Engineering Services, University of Dayton Research Institute, Penn State Applied Research Laboratory, and future installations at FRCE Cherry Point. VRC has generated interest from one major aerospace company and one commercial FAA repair station to assist in the commercialization of the technology. Thank you for listening to this presentation on rapid repair of corroded fastener holes. Please contact Rose Girani to further discuss your needs.